Hi, good evening, class 8, unit 14, acid, base and salt. Nepali Amla Chhar Lagan. The main objectives of this lesson are as follows. Number 1, introduction. What is acid? What is the base? What is salt? What is indicator? What is universal indicator? Introduction with examples. Properties. What are the properties of acid, base and salt? Usage. Why are they useful in our daily life, for industries, for factories, and for many others? And preparation. How to prepare acid, base, and salt, or how to prepare a simple indicator at home, etc. The main objectives. Question number 1. Now the lesson starts. Question number 1. Define an acid with example. Actually, an acid. The word acid is derived from the Latin word acidus. Acidus means sour, अमिलो हुने चिज. And acid is a substance or chemical substance which gives out or releases a hydrogen ion H plus in water or in any aqueous solution. पानीमा राख्दा हाइड्रोजन आयन दिने रासायनिक पदार्थलाई अम्ल भनिन्छ. And acid gives out a hydrogen ion when dissolved in water. So, due to the release of hydrogen ion, an acid is sour. An acid is sour due to the hydrogen ion. See, types. Example, citric acid, lactic acid, hydrochloric acid HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3, carbonic acid H2CO3, phosphoric acid, boric acid, etc. There are different types of acids. On the basis of sources, on the basis of sources, acids may be organic and inorganic. Organic from living beings, inorganic from chemicals. Strong and weak. Strong acid and weak acid. Having strong effect, giving more hydrogen ion. Having strong acid, having weak effect or giving less amount of hydrogen ion, weak acid. Dilute acid and concentrated acid. Dilute acid means having acid having less amount, relatively less amount of solute. Concentrated acid means the acid having relatively more amount of solute. An acid, it gives hydrogen ion in water, it is sour in taste, corrosive in nature, and it turns blue litmus red. Properties also. Examples, some examples of organic, some examples of inorganic. Question number 2. Define a base with examples. Base, Bhasma. A base is a chemical substance which gives out an oxide ion or a hydrogen ion in water. पानीमा राख्दा, जसलाई पानीमा राख्दा अक्साइड आयन दिन्छ वा अथवा हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन दिन्छ. हाइड्रोजन आयन हैन, हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन दिन्छ. त्यसलाई भनिन्छ हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन OH minus in water. A base is a chemical substance which gives out an oxide ion O minus minus or a hydroxide ion OH minus when dissolved in water. पानीमा राख्दा अक्साइड आयन दिने वा हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन दिने chemical substance लाई भनिन्छ base. Base may be soluble or insoluble, strong or weak. Example, sodium hydroxide or caustic soda, formula NaOH. Potassium hydroxide or caustic potash, KOH. Ammonium hydroxide or ammonia solution, formula NH4OH. Calcium hydroxide or lime water or slate lime, CH, bracket OH, volt 1. Right? Question number 3. Define an indicator and a universal indicator. Define indicator and universal indicator. Just by the name, indicator. To indicate means to show. केही चिज सूचना गर्नु देखाउनुलाई भनिन्छ indicate. It is a verb. Indicator is a word, noun derived from the verb indicate. So first of all, write the definition of an indicator. सूचक. An indicator is a chemical substance. Chemical substance which changes its color when treated with an acid or a base. An indicator is a chemical substance which changes its color. कसको कलर त भन्दा त्यही इन्डिकेटरको कलर. Its color when treated with an acid or a base. नेपालीमा एसिड वा बेसमा राख्दा अथवा त्योसँग ट्रिट केमिकल रियाक्सन गराउँदा जुन केमिकल सब्सटेन्सको कलर चेन्ज हुन्छ त्यो कलर चेन्ज हुने पदार्थलाई भनिन्छ इन्डिकेटर. अर्थात् इन्डिकेटरले एसिड र बेसको कलर चेन्ज गर्ने होइन, इन्डिकेटर आफ्नै कलर चाहिँ चेन्ज हुन्छ. एक्जाम्पल गिभन. एक्जाम्पल्स अफ इन्डिकेटर: रेड एन्ड ब्लू litmus paper. It may be one red litmus paper, blue litmus paper. Another is methyl orange. Another is phenolphthalein. 3 examples: red litmus paper, blue litmus paper, methyl orange, phenolphthalein. Their colors change when they are added to an acid or a base. एसिड वा बेसमा राख्दा जसको कलर चेन्ज हुन्छ त्यो पदार्थलाई भनिन्छ इन्डिकेटर. नाउ another is a universal indicator. Just by the name universal, just like in compulsory math universal set, here universal indicator. A universal indicator is the mixture of ordinary indicators. When different indicators are added or to make a mixture, it is called a universal indicator. Just like shade and universal shade. Which is better? An indicator just changes the color, but a universal indicator changes the color as well as it also shows the strength of acidity or basicity. अर्थात् एसिड हो कि बेस हो भनेर चिन्ने चाहिँ इन्डिकेटर हो. एसिड हो कि बेस हो चिन्ने र त्यसपछि त्यसको स्ट्रेन्थ कति पावरफुल छ, एसिडको पावर अर्थात् त्यसलाई पीएच भ्यालु कति छ भनेर युनिभर्सल इन्डिकेटरले देखाउँछ. यसमा के फरक छ त भन्दा व्हाट इज द डिफरेन्स? मेन डिफरेन्स, it means universal indicator shows the strength of acids or bases. Here it is marked from 1 to 14. 1 to 14. 7 is neutral. This is neutral. 7 below. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What happens here? It is acidity. Acidity increases. एसिड को मात्रा बढ़ते जान्छ. From 7 below. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 is maximum acidity, pH value maximum, and 1, 2, 3, 4 acidity decreases. From 7, 6 is acidic, slightly acidic. 5 is more acidic than 6. 4 is more acidic than 5. 3 is more acidic than 4. 2 is more acidic than 3. And 1 is maximum acidity. 7 up. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is slightly blue. Blue color increases and slowly becomes violet color. Neutral. From 7 up. This is neutral. From this point here, what happens? Basicity. Basicity or alkalinity increases. From 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, alkalinity or basicity increases. And 7 below, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, acidity increases. You have to know it. Acidity increases, 7 up, basicity increases.